What's up guys, I am here back again with another tutorial to help you guys out. So, you may not be familiar to the new operating system called Windows 10. Today's how-to episode is how to use the internet. Don't use Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Opera. They're all really fucking shit. I think you should use Internet Explorer. Try to get it at the oldest date you can. Now, go on it. Firstly, you open a new tab. Then, you search up what you want to search up. For example, flowers. Flowers are really nice. You just right click and press Save Picture As to save. Now you go to Desktop, you scroll down, and you save it into the folder that you want to save it into. For example, and if with the new operating system, you can also open photos differently. Go to your favorite website. Mine, for example, is a great creative platform called Haname. It takes a little while because the browser is a little bit old, but that's fine. It's not as bad as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'm just going to show you what Google looks like. It is a really shit search engine. I do not recommend using it. Okay guys, thanks for watching.